Why does your scanner show the P2507 engine code? What does it mean? P2507 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power input signal low. This engine code indicates that this can be caused by faulty wiring, poor battery connections, a corroded fuse block, or a failing alternator. Symptoms may include a check engine light, engine stalling, or jerking. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low battery voltage, corroded or loose battery terminals, failing ECM or PCM, wiring harness issues, weak backup battery. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda 6 or Hyundai Sonata models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.